Hi, everyone! Welcome to another fun and exciting English quiz. In this quiz, you will have to answer 10 multiple-choice questions about nouns, pronouns, and verbs. Are you up for the challenge? Let's begin. Question number 1. What is a noun? The correct answer is letter B, a word that names a person, place, thing, or animal. Question 2. Which of the following is a noun? The answer is letter B, tree. Number 3. What is a pronoun? And the correct answer is letter C. Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Moving on to number 4. Which of the following is a verb? If you answer letter B, you got it right. Jumped. Question number 5. What is a verb? The right answer is letter A. Verb is a word that describes an action. Question 6. Choose the verb in the sentence, "The dog is running." If you answer letter C, you are correct. Running. Number 7. Which of the following is a noun? And the answer is letter B, ball. Question number 8. Choose the pronoun that can replace the noun boy. The right answer is letter A, he. Moving on to number 9. Choose the verb in the sentence, "They are dancing." The correct answer is C, dancing. Lastly, choose the noun in the sentence, "The cat is sleeping." And the answer is letter A, cat. Well, that's it for our English quiz. We hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our next episode. Until then, stay safe and keep learning. Goodbye.